Hey guys, we're going to be covering the install of our Westy headlight adjuster kit. These are 3D printed adjuster mounts. We provide new hardware, rivets, spring, and the adjuster screws for you to install this. So we'll do a little time lapse here. You can watch it, and then we'll cover step by step kind of how that goes. So you want to make sure that the old rivet holes are clean and that your rivet will pass through there without binding. It's a 5/32 drill bit if you need to clean it out. So here I've got the rivets set, and you can see the mounting points. I do not squeeze these rivets all the way down until they break. I just pull them in until they are holding tight, but I'm not trying to snap the plastic, so I actually cut them off with a cutoff wheel or a set of side cutters, whatever's easier for you. Here we've got the adjuster screws in both sides there, and then your spring goes on, and that's going to hold your outer bucket to the inner. Here it is assembled on the table. And then we're going to have the inner bucket here pictured inside my cut band, so it's going to look a little different than your Mk1, but real close. And there's your outer bucket, and then now you're ready to install your headlight with your trim ring.